All right, we're recording. Okay. Hey, yo, what up? This is your boy TT, and welcome back to the LungTrey segment. Remember, this is the segment we're going to be talking, listening, sharing, laughing. If it's laughable, niggas. Oh, you all know. You gotta laugh. I mean, that's the whole point. The point is to laugh. So, but then, by the way, TikTok is down, apparently. So, I've been hearing stories about TikTok, and I'm thinking that, well, there's another side that they're saying that apparently the Biden administration failed to do certain, like to prohibit certain laws against TikTok, whatever. And then now Trump is trying to act as a hero. So he's banning TikTok. So, but I mean, it's what the people are saying, right? But I got that conspiracy. Like, somebody told me that actually record labels are angry because now people are pushing themselves individually. They no longer need that fucking boost, because a record label, I like talking about record labels because I'm trying to make niggas aware that, you know what, you can actually do this thing by yourself, but it's hard. You need those motherfuckers, but at the same time, you gotta think about it. Really think about it. So, apparently, record labels are angry that an individual can just skyrocket out of the blue because of TikTok. So everybody's booming, everybody's famous, everybody's an influencer. Now, certain brands, they approach influencers directly. They no longer need to go to a certain label and ask for somebody's information, wara, how can we work, all those stuff. So record labels are no longer making money. You can see last year the revenue of Spotify, it was down. So I don't know. Is it a good thing that TikTok is down? Hey, yeah, it's a good thing because now all those motherfuckers are coming back to YouTube to watch good stuff, like LungTrey segment, out here chilling, doing all this, talking about all good stuff, So, but anyways, it's 2025 now, and
Trejo Tebogo from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, LungTrey STUDIO, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung